First of all, let's talk about solving quadratic and polynomial equations by graphing. Here's the steps. Make f of x equals 0. Then find all x-intercepts. All x-intercepts will be the solutions. Let's go to A. 2x squared equals 10x plus 12. We want to get equal 0 form. So move 10x and 12 to the left side. Remember, change the sign. So we have 2x squared minus 10x minus 12 equals 0. Then we go to calculator. Go to y equals 2x squared minus 10x minus 12. Go graph. We are looking for the x-intercept. So we go to second trace to 0. This is -1, -2. So left bound, let's do -2. Right bound, let's do 0. Enter. So we get x1 equals -1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go back second trace 2. We do 5 is a left bound. 5, 6, 7. 7 is a right bound. So we get 6 is the second x-intercept. So this way we get x1 equals -1, x2 equals 6. Same thing, move 10x and -2 to the left side. -x squared minus 10x plus 2 equals 0. Go to y equals. We have a -x squared minus 10x plus 2. Then go to graph. You need to change the window. For x minimum, let's do -20. For x maximum, let's do 2. Scale, you can do 2. Minimum, maximum for y axis, it doesn't matter. Our goal is to figure out the x-intercept. So go to graph. So we go to second trace, go to 2. This is a -2, 4, 6, 8. This is a 12. So let's do -12 as the left bound. And right bound will be -8. Then enter. You will get -10.2 as the x-intercept. Then go to second trace, still 2. This time, -2 as the left bound, +2 as the right bound. Then x2 will be 0.196. Now we get x1 equals -10.2, x2 equals 0.196. Remember, make your answer as a 3-figure fix. Let's go to say -2x squared equals 4x minus 7 minus x to the third power. First step, we need to get equals 0 form. We can move -2x squared to the right side. So we have a -x third power plus 2x squared plus 4x minus 7. Then we put this into graphing calculator. Y1. Go to graphing calculator. clear the memory. Second plus 712. Go to y1. Negative x to the third power plus 2x squared plus 4x minus 7. Then we go to graph. There are 3 x-intercepts. Work all these 3 x-intercepts out. Second trace 2. This is a -1, -2, -3. So left bound, let's put the -3. Right bound, let's do -1. Then enter. You will get -1.94 as the first x-intercept. Second trace, go to 0. This is a 1 as the left bound. Move. Enter. Enter. So you have a 1.46 as the second x-intercept. Second trace 2. Move a little bit. Left bound. Then go down. Right bound. Enter. You will get 2.47 as the third x-intercept. Therefore, we have x1 equals -1.94. x2 equals 1.46. x3 equals 2.47. Let's go to D. This time, I move -4x to the third power to the right side. You will get 0 equals 4x third power plus 6x squared plus x minus 1. So we will put this into y1. Go to y1. We will put 4x third power plus 6x squared plus x minus 1. Then graph. You could say this is so unclear. You need to change the window. We can make the y-axis smaller, or we could enlarge this part. For x-axis, we can enlarge this part, make it small, like -2 to +2. For the y-axis, we can make it from -1 to +1. So go to window. -2 as minimum, +2 as the maximum. For y, minimum, let's do -1. For maximum, let's do 1. Then graph. You could say this is still not that clear. This time, let's do the minimum as a -0.5. Here is a 0.5. Then for the scale, let's do 0.5. So graph. Yeah, this time it's very clear. Go to second trace. 0. You know this is a -2. This is a -1. Left bound, let's do -2. Enter. Right bound, let's move here because it's so hard to decide. Yeah, let's go here. So enter, enter. 0 will be -1. Second trace, go to 2. Move, enter, then move, enter, enter. Your answer will be negative 0.809. Three-figure fix. Then second trace 2. This will be 0. It's a left bound. Right bound, this is a 1. Then enter. Your answer will be 0.309. So we write down the solutions. x1 equals negative 1. x2 equals negative 0.809. x3 equals 0.309.